Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of digital creativity with the HUION Inspiroy Hydrogen Phosphide Drawing Tablet, a versatile tool designed for artists, designers, and educators alike. This compact 6x4-inch art tablet offers a seamless drawing experience with its battery-free stylus that boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, making it feel just like a standard pen. With 6 customizable hotkeys, you can tailor your workflow to suit your creative needs, enhancing efficiency whether you're drawing, writing, or designing. The H640P is not only compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux PCs but also works with Android devices, making it a flexible choice for any setup, and it's even suitable for left-handed users. Its lightweight and portable design means you can easily carry it from home to work or class, making it perfect for those with limited desktop space. Beyond drawing, this tablet serves as an intuitive mouse alternative, allowing you to sign documents, take digital notes, and perform precise tasks with ease, all while reducing wrist strain. Whether you're a beginner artist or looking for a versatile digital canvas, the HUION Inspiroy Hydrogen Phosphide is an excellent choice for enhancing your creative journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.